welcome to my channel. It's your girl, That Chick Said, and I'm here for my first time ever with my first ever Get Ready With Me. No, this is not a makeup tutorial. No, this is not a trying to advise you on how to do your makeup or what. I don't know why I just sounded like that. Try to advise you on how to do your makeup or whatever. It's just me doing my makeup for work. I got my hair done yesterday and I'm feeling real fabulous, so I want to do a look kind of inspired by this. We're just going to do this together. We're going to see what happens. We're going to see what shakes. See how I get off into this YouTube world. But I'm glad that you're here with me on this journey. I'm so excited to get started. So welcome in. Sit down. Get strapped. Get you a little treat. A little snack or whatever. And then let's go. Get started with a little skincare. First, a little hand care because these puppies are ashy, ma'am. So I got some Julep Age Defying, see if you can see this, what it says, Age Defying Hand Brightener. I have like 3 hours to get ready for work, y'all, so we're gonna just try to do this, well, really 2 hours. So I hope y'all can see that. And get some of this. One of my girlfriends from work gave this to me. Is Tatcha's the Silk Peony or Peony, I don't know how you pronounce that. I got it with a little, not a sample, but like a 30-day face for dry skin face sample deluxe package thing. I don't know, from Sephora. I'm just gonna spread that under my eye. I've been neglecting this part of my skincare for way too long, but under eye care is really important, and it should be very important to you because this is where your age comes from. Also the gray hair. But primer on. I'm using Angel Veil from NYX. Hopefully y'all can see that. Angel Veil from NYX. And this is a skin perfecting primer, and I like to use this really in my forehead area, in my cheeks a little bit, but kind of like the outer edges of my cheeks, and then I kind of like multi-prime a little bit. Alrighty. God, this hair is in my way, but I cannot put it up yet, y'all. I'm just feeling it too much. Did I bring my other primer? I did. So the next primer I'm going to use is going to be the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Hopefully y'all can see that. I think you can. This is a blurring primer. I'm going to use that in my nose area, like my T-zone. Next, I want to see what I'm trying to do, and next I want to do eyebrows. I'm all out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills, not the dip brow, but the pencil, the skinny pencil. And so I have 2 products to use in this place. I have this, what it's called, Mellow Beauty. You can't really see it, but it's an eyebrow pencil. And then I also have this crop dark brown eyebrow pencil as well, and it's more like a regular pencil. I'll just do the front of my brows with that and kind of gradient it out. This is new for me. I'm really used to using one type of eyebrow pencil, so y'all about to see me flounder and fail. That's just what's gonna happen. I do know that this one right here has a little bit of like a eyebrow gel, so it makes your eyebrows kind of like stick in place. So I'm gonna start with this, and then I'm gonna kind of like gradient it out. So please forgive me if this turns out like a failure, because it might be a real failure. I have to fix my cam. I'm using the Alyssa Edwards palette from ABH. Love it. It's going with my hair. We got a theme going on, you know. Insurance. Love this stuff. Love this stuff. Really good stuff. And I got this a while ago, y'all, so forgive it. That's enough. Thinking it's a little shadow, rainbow shadow thing going on, and I'm just going to use the colors that I have in here. I don't have everything I need that I don't need it, so I'm going to use like this pinkish type color here. I'm going to use this blue, this yellow, and this purple, and that's going to be what I'm going to use on my eyes. And then I'm also going to use a black and maybe some brown. We'll see. Right, Val, Brick Road, period. Ooh, girl. And then we're gonna come in with a little Dream It. And then I'm gonna come next with Believe. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the crease. I actually put a little too much on here. Like this real quick. I'm just gonna press that black in. The Bare Minerals Bare Pro in Truffle 29, but y'all know what this is. It's the classic. Sissy's calling me. Hello? Oh, I'm getting ready.
Oh my God. It's your first day at work with your hair?
Mm-hmm.
You should have cut up. I already know. I already see it.
So I was just talking on the phone with my sister. She called me. Of course, I had to answer. She's preggo. I'm on my eyes now. I'm putting on my lashes here. As you can see, they're wispy. I kind of want to stack them since they kind of like, I might stack them. Boom, boom. Then I'm going to put my mascara on, double mascara. This is to buy them lashes because this has a curved one, which I find is easier. Now I'm about to use the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black. It's really good. I'm gonna come back when I'm all done. You're gonna see the finished product. I gotta get dressed, put on my earrings and all that kind of stuff, and then I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back and I had to hurry up and go to work. This is the final look. I didn't have time to like really perfect it, but I think it looks okay. Yeah, this is the final look. Get a little into it, closeness. Not the best light either. God, I wish I would have been able to finish just like I want to. But anyways, y'all, hope you liked the video. To get ready with me to go to work. That's bae. Still got makeup on my hands, gotta wash, do all this stuff at work. I just had to hurry up, y'all. So anyway, I'm gonna show y'all the look with the mask because that's really how everybody's gonna see it today. I don't have anything going on down there. But yeah, so if you like this video, please like, please comment what you like to see. I think I'm gonna do a Shein haul next. I picked up some things, including these earrings, which will be featured in the haul. So I'll do a Shein haul next, and I have some other video ideas coming, but definitely give me a comment down below if you have anything you want to see, anything that you liked, anything that you want to see more of. Just let me know. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, just communicate with your girl. All right, bye.